Welcome to the Olympus Continuum Educational Portal. We offer a large catalog of educational content for all specialties and professions that is continuously expanded. The Olympus Continuum Educational Portal is a comprehensive platform of educational programs and training experiences designed to help you broaden your clinical expertise and enhance your procedural skills and knowledge on Olympus devices. The portal can be accessed from just about anywhere and on most devices. For the best possible experience, use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. To register, navigate to your local Olympus Continuum Educational Portal site. On the home page, click the Sign Up button. Enter the required fields, then click Sign Up. A message will appear to confirm you have successfully initiated the sign-up process. To complete registration, check your email for a confirmation message. In this email, you'll see your login information along with a link. Click the link to confirm your email and your registration is complete. Click Sign In and use the user ID and password to sign into the portal. Now that you've registered for access to the portal, you can browse multiple specialties on the home page for an in-person or virtual course offering that interests you. If you're looking to learn on your own time, on your own schedule, then you may want to check out Continuum's selection of e-learning modules and the on-demand library. You can browse the specialties by clicking the menu in the upper left corner or by scrolling down on the home page. Select a specialty, then browse from either the course catalog for physicians or for nurses and techs. To learn more about a course that interests you, click on it and follow the directions to register for the course or begin on-demand learning immediately. If you register for a live in-person or virtual course, you'll receive a registration notice and a reminder prior to the course date. If you have any questions about the portal or course registration, please reach out to your Olympus representative or the program manager assigned to the course for support. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this introduction video for the Olympus Continuum Educational Portal registration. Please check back often, as we are continually adding new content for all specialties and professions. The Olympus Continuum Educational Portal, elevating patient care together.